If
And
there
that's
is
what
no
tells
moral law, then
then
anything
you
goes,
are.
right?
If there's no moral law, it becomes anarchy because I will decide what is right and
Then
wrong.
I get to decide what's right for me.
And if I have if my AR-15 has 30 shots in the mag rather than yours that has 20, I'm more right than you are.
Depends on how good of a shot you are.
Oh, that's true too. It's true.
But I get your point. No, that's exactly right. I mean, now there's no fix, like you said. Those.
John Quincy Adams said at that point, you have the law of the tiger and the
Yeah.
shark. That's where gangs rule. That's where guys with the biggest fist rule.
Yeah.
That's not what you want. You have to have fixed moral laws that nobody can transgress. You don't cross these laws. The fifth thing you have from the Declaration says, government is instituted among men deriving their just powers from the consent of the governed. Now, what you get with this is what we call the consent of the governed or the will of the majority. There is nothing in the Constitution that ever allows anything smaller than a majority to win a vote, unless you're in the U.S. Senate today, and because of the filibuster, 40 beats 60 every time. Founding Fathers opposed that. That's why they did not allow filibusters, was the rule of the majority. Now, this is point number 5, and it comes only after you've said there are inalienable rights and only after you've said there is a fixed moral law. We don't get to vote on whether rape will or won't be a crime because that's part of the laws of nature, nature's God.
Yeah.
We don't get to vote on whether you're going to lose your right to keep and bear arms because that's an inalienable right. The right to defend yourself is a God-given right. God gave it to you, not the government. We can't vote that we're going to take that away from you. So the consent of the government is good when you talk about, do we want the sidewalk to be 4 feet wide or 5 feet wide or 6 feet wide?